In tonight's top story, could the mine permitting process be changing forever? That is the question many in the capital city were asking tonight as the Environmental Protection Agency held a public hearing. Our 13 News' Kristen Sell was there, and she joins us live in the Charleston studio tonight with the latest. How did it go, Kristen?
It was an intense night, Sandra. The EPA is considering revoking the mountaintop removal mining permit for Arch Coal Company's Spruce No. 1 mine in Logan County. But coal supporters say the issue goes far beyond just one mine. The decision could kill off mining altogether.
It seems that the Obama administration is full of incompetence and people who don't even understand scientific data.
Emotions were running high as many in this room fear their livelihoods are on the line.
In my 31 years, I've never seen coal come under such heavy attacks.
The EPA is taking public comment before making a final decision on the fate of Arch Coal's Spruce No. 1 mine. The EPA claims environmental damage from the project would be irreversible and are considering pulling the mine's permit.
EPA now wants to take the permit away for what appears to be political, not scientific reasons. The Spruce application was submitted over 13 years ago.
But it wasn't all opposition to the pending decision.
This country was based on a set of checks and balances, and the EPA is here not about our poverty, not about our political corruption, not about our jobs, not about the loss of our jobs, and it's not about shutting you down. It's just about the reality of the vital importance of clean water.
Some fear for the state's future if the EPA doesn't pull the permit.
We're not going to be able to have a West Virginia where my kids are going to be able to have a job and where I'm going to be able to have a job in 50 years if we blow up the mountains.
The rest, though, worry what could happen if they do.
The emotional devastation that occurs when coal and the families who are dependent on coal no longer have a viable income. This devastation results in dramatic changes in the home, drastically affects each child, and ultimately destroys our schools.
Those pro-coal say if the EPA does yank the Spruce No. 1 mine's permit, it will have catastrophic effects on all mining. Sandra, even the governor tonight tells us he's outraged and fears devastating results, not just here in West Virginia, but for the nation.
All right. Thank you, Kristen.